Amazon is the largest forest of the world. It contains 9 countries of South America in its body. One in 10 known species in the world lives in the Amazon rainforest. This constitutes the largest collection of living plants and animal species in the world. More than one-third of the Amazon belongs to indigenous tribes. Many of these tribal people were abused and killed by the civilized people during colonization. Numerous amount of geoglyphs found on the deforested land of Amazon proves human presence in the forest for at least 11,000 years. Scientists have forecasted that within 100 years, Amazon might be completely destroyed due to reduced rainfall and temperature increment caused by human activities like greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. In the summer of 2019, Amazon experienced a forest fire that lasted for several months. The forest was shrunk by 1,500 square kilometers in that fire. The myth that Amazon produces 20% of global oxygen is not true. Majority of the atmospheric oxygen comes from the marine plants living in our oceans. Thank you for watching.